Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I'm located in Ithaca, New York. I practice in the Finger Lakes region. Today I'd like to talk to you about my chapter and my materials in the new book, Strategies for Defending DWI Cases in New York State, published by West Thomson this year, 2011 edition. Very proud to be one of 7 lawyers asked to write in this book. I'm going to include a link in the information so you can go take a look or make sure that your attorney has a copy of it. This is a book written by lawyers for lawyers, but lay people can learn a lot from this book. What I want to talk to you today about is assumptions that are made in DWI cases. There are 4 main assumptions that are made in all DWI cases. Number 1 assumption is that all people are the same. In other words, you have a blood-breath ratio of 2100 to 1. That's an assumption. Assumption number 1, that you have what's called a partition ratio in your body because they're measuring breath and then taking that number and they're multiplying it by 2100 to 1 to get a blood number. Your number may have been higher than that, your number may have been lower than that, but it might not be 2100 to 1. Another thing is it might have been 2100 to 1 at the time that you were tested because that number fluctuates throughout the day. Number 2 assumption is that your temperature of your body and your breath is 34 degrees Celsius. That's the second assumption. What if your temperature was higher? We would have a higher level of BAC or blood alcohol concentration. If your breath is cooler, we'd have lower level of blood alcohol concentration because heat causes things to expand, causes things to rise. Just like having a hot cup of coffee in a room, you're going to smell it all the way across the room. Third assumption in DWI cases is that you are done absorbing alcohol. The machine assumes that you're in the last phase beyond absorption, in elimination phase. Alcohol goes through 3 phases. Number 1 is absorption, number 2 is distribution, number 3 is elimination. If your body is still absorbing alcohol, alcohol is not evenly distributed throughout the whole body. So the alcohol that's coming out of your breath may not be the same concentration as the alcohol that's in your brain, that's in your arm, or any other part of your body. You have to be beyond the absorption phase. That means that all the drinks that you had in your body are fully absorbed before the machine is going to be 100% accurate. Number 4 assumption is that you are at a BAC level, a blood alcohol concentration, when they took the test is almost the same as when you were driving. It might have been higher at the time of testing because your alcohol level might have been rising, or it might have been lower at the time of testing because your alcohol level might have been falling. That's an assumption. I tried writing an article last year and publishing it online, and they wouldn't let me put the little phrase in, if you assume something, you make an ass of you and me. Well, I'm putting it on video today. I think when you're making all these assumptions, and I just gave you 4 with blood alcohol concentration testing based upon breath, which is indirect, I think you're making a lot of assumptions. These assumptions to me are all reasonable doubt, whether the test is accurate, whether the test is reliable, and whether we should admit it into court to say that you are guilty of a DWI. If you have any questions about your DWI case or a criminal matter in the state of New York, you can feel free to give me a call at 607-229-5184 or go to my main website and blog. It's www.ithacadwi.com. Be more than happy to help you with your case. Thank you.